Hey folks, we're live today on South Padre Island where it's been windy just like it has been across the rest of the valley. The temperature's not quite as hot out here, certainly humid but not as hot, but the wind has been really the issue. That's really been kicking up the bay the last day or two, making it really rough for folks who want to go fishing, and the surf has been churned up pretty good as well. If you take a look, small craft advisories in effect. For folks that are in the bay waters, it's until 7 o'clock. I'm not sure it's going to lay down much tonight or tomorrow though, and then for the offshore waters, it's until 7 p.m. tomorrow because the wind really kicking up. And again, right along the coast is where it's the strongest, although it's been pretty breezy, pretty much valley-wide today. So again, come to the beach this weekend. It's a great weekend to be at the beach. Just understand that the surf's a little bit rough, and if you're going to go in a boat, probably best you hold off on that just because it's going to be rather choppy on the bay and the wind pretty strong in the Gulf as well. Let's look at future track valley winds out of the southeast, mostly in the blue shades across most of the valley. That's 10 to 15 miles an hour tonight, but at the coast still pretty strong in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range. Watch what happens as we go through tonight into tomorrow. The winds do stay strong here at the coast. You know, there's some orange, and that's 30 to 35 miles per hour first thing in the morning. So it's going to start windy tomorrow here at the coast and then stay that way. While inland, notice back in Starr County, it's almost calm. Picks up a little bit, but then the wind starts to shift around. Still strong here at the coast, but inland, you see a northwest wind, a southwest wind, a south wind. That means it's going to get hot across most of the valley tomorrow, and that is courtesy of that shifting wind. Here, maybe not so hot at the beach because it's going to stay off the Gulf, but inland temperatures are going to get quite warm. We'll show you how warm in just a bit. Let's look at the current temperature, see where we stand right now, and readings at this hour, still 103 in Rio Grande City. Cooler in Weslaco at 89 and then 87 in Port Isabel right now. Dew points are up, especially near the coast. Our dew points here at the coast in the mid-70s. Everybody else closer to 70. Our average on the Muggy meter right now stands at 71, and that's certainly up in the very humid category. And again, you can feel that if you're spending any time outside. High temperatures tomorrow. Let's look at how hot it's going to be. It's going to be a lot like a couple of days ago. Look at this, 107 in Rio Grande City, McAllen probably 106 tomorrow, 103 in Weslaco, Harlingen and Raymondville at about 101, Brownsville almost 100, 99, and then here at the island about 88. So a big change from one end of the valley to the other. Across Texas, we'll show you in a moment. Look at the 3-day highs. Tomorrow an average of 103. But then only 85 on Sunday and back to 90 on Monday. We'll show you the temperatures across Texas, a quick look at the computer models, then we'll jump forward to the forecast. It's 101 in Laredo right now, but look at Amarillo, 52. Can you tell there's a front up there? Let's take a look at the map. You'll see it. There's a front south of Amarillo right now. That's what's keeping them cooler. That front stays north of us tomorrow, so we're hot. The front sneaks into the valley early Sunday morning. A slight chance it triggers a shower, maybe a thunder shower, but most of the rain stays north of us. Then we turn breezy and cooler for Sunday and beyond. You saw Sunday high of only about 85 degrees. Well, let's jump to the forecast then. Here's what we have for you for tonight under, we'll call it partly cloudy early, more clouds later, low 77. Then tomorrow we jump back up to an average high of 103. Western part of the valley 106, 107. Here at the beach about 88. Wind shifting as the day goes on. Next 7 days, take a peek, and we have tomorrow as the hottest. Sunday is the coolest. Then we start warming up again, and then we have another mild day on Thursday. Another shower or thunderstorm possible on Thursday, courtesy of the next front, which could bring again a shower or thunderstorm and slightly cooler temperatures for the middle to latter part of next week. That's your updated First 1 5 forecast live on South Padre Island. Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 6.